Our industry is changing faster than anyone can keep on top of. This is true at the programming language level, at the framework level, at the runtime level, at the architecture level. We're seeing new hardware environments like phones, tablets, Internet of Things devices, sensors, things that are multi-core, things that have GPUs, things that have TPUs, FPGAs, ASICs. And trying to stay on top of it and trying to write custom software on top of all of it is just not going to happen. At the same time, programming models sometimes work well together, sometimes don't. And our capacity to reuse existing code in different runtime environments, in different security environments, makes a big difference in terms of whether we are successful and are able to continuously add business value. So what we're seeing now is a move towards new platforms that give us the capacity to simply recompile our software to run in different environments. And this is going to open things up in ways that you cannot even begin to understand if you have not been paying close attention to the worlds of WebAssembly and WebAssembly services interfaces. These are going to allow us to write software that runs in the browser, outside of the browser, in various constrained environments, and with security models that make it so that we have greater control over who's able to do what. At the same time, you're going to increasingly have the choice of using new and more modern programming languages that materially change the software development experience. One of those languages, Rust, is a very nice fit for WebAssembly, but you have the freedom to choose other things like Go, C++, C, and other environments like that. Eventually, you'll be able to target JavaScript and Java as well. But right now, all of these things can run inside of browsers, outside of browsers. We're seeing extremely high interest across our industry in people who are longing for the idea of the promise of write once, run anywhere, but now with 20 to 30 years of experience. So come hear how these two technologies are able to make you more successful, more productive, writing safer, faster code that also is able to run anywhere, inside browsers. There's no more native libraries. There's no more need to worry about stuff like that. Whether you're a Node developer, whether you're a JavaScript developer, whether you're building desktop applications, games, or reusable code, functionality, encryption libraries, or other just tools that you would like to have available in all of these environments where possible, and help solve some of the security issues that plague us in the form of phishing attacks and being able to download things safely and run in a sandboxed environment. These are goals that we've been striving for as an industry for years. And finally, we have a set of technologies that are working together to bring it to us. This is perhaps one of the most important things for you to do, to understand how you should spend your time, how your world is changing, how your industry is changing, and how you can contribute to the growth and development of our industry to become more mature so we can produce good, fast, stable, safe software on time, on budget, and use it for longer.